Today I'm going to show you how to wire a switch. Supplies: battery and battery holder, 3 wires with the ends stripped, a small switch, and an LED. Step 1. Run one end of the wire through the positive side of the battery holder. The positive side is the side with the E shape. Fold the wire down to secure it. Run other end of first wire through top 2 holes of the switch. Fold the wire down to secure it. Step 3. Run one end of the second wire through the middle 2 holes of the switch. Fold the wire down to secure it. Step 4. Run one end of third wire through the negative side of the battery holder. Fold the wire down to secure it. Step 5. Attach the wire running from the switch to the longer positive leg of the LED. Step 6. Attach the wire running from the negative side of the battery holder to the short or negative leg of the LED. Step 7. Put the battery in the battery holder and flip the switch to turn on the light. And now you know how to wire a switch.